we will show you how to replace the water filter. While pushing the arrow mark on the side of the unit, slide the filter cover upward and remove it. Slide the holder knob to the left and release the holder. Then pull up the water filter and remove it. Check to ensure that the old O-rings do not remain on the filter tray, and then push in the replacement filter while paying attention to the installation position. Install the holder, then slide the holder knob to the right and lock it in place. When the water filter cover is replaced, the filter history is reset automatically. The LCD will display the main screen. Run the water for at least 3 minutes after filter replacement. Please be sure to use our designated water filters for replacement, as other filters may lead to malfunction.